Sir Syed Ahmad Khan said, "What we are not ashamed to do before God, we should not fear to do before our fellow men." Nothing is more disgraceful for any nation than to throw into the oblivion its historical heritage and the works of its ancestors. We, Hindus and Muslims, eat the same crop, drink water from the same rivers, and breathe the same air. As a matter of fact, Hindus and Muslims are the two eyes of the beautiful bride, that is Hindustan. Weakness of any one of them will spoil the beauty of the bride. The real idleness is the idleness of heart and mind. A man should be upright, righteous, and honest even while opposing his opponent. When a nation becomes devoid of arts and learning, it invites poverty, and when poverty comes, it brings in its wake thousands of crime. Remember that the words Hindu and Muslim are only meant for religious distinction. Otherwise, all persons who reside in this country belong to one and the same nation. To permit liberty of the press is the part of a wise government. To preserve it is the part of a free people. The basis of all progress is that you should bring all treasures of knowledge under your control. We, Hindus and Muslims, should try to combine our hearts and souls and act in unison. If united, we can sustain. Ignorance is the mother of poverty. Don't show the face of Islam to others. Instead, show your face as the follower of true Islam, representing character, knowledge, tolerance, and piety. Get rid of old and useless rituals. These rituals hinder human progress. Acquisition of knowledge of science and technology is the only solution for the problem of Muslims. Look forward, learn modern knowledge, and do not waste time in studies of old subjects of no value. Man himself is his own greatest teacher. All human beings are our brothers and sisters. Working for their welfare is obligatory for Muslims. We should not tarnish the image of our able elders. We, Hindus and Muslims, has evolved a new language, Urdu.